here I am going to present my paper in front of you all, and the topic of my presentation is blockchain model for healthcare. Blockchain technology has the potential to address the interoperability changes currently present in the health IT systems and to be the technical standard that enables individuals, healthcare providers, healthcare entities, and medical researchers to securely share electronic health data. In this era of new technology, medical sciences have been proved to be a milestone in advancement and nurturing of all the practical implementation of knowledge. Despite of several advancements, there is a problem that has been existing in the system for a long time, and that is the medical records of patients. Several patients lose their valuable records and reports of several tests multiple times, and as of course, these reports should be present somewhere in the network where they can stay immutable and secured from outsources and can be accessed anytime by the user. So, what is blockchain? Blockchain is a peer-to-peer distributed ledger technology for the new generation of transactional applications that enables transparency and trust. So I want to discuss what is my idea. My idea is to use the public blockchain as an access control manager to health record of patients that are stored across the blockchain. Any blockchain for healthcare would need to be public and would also need to indulge technological solution for three key elements: scalability, access security, and data privacy. So a distributed blockchain that contains health records, documents, and images would have data storage implications and data throughput limitations, as we cannot store a copy of every health record of every individual, as it would not be practical from data storage perspective, because health data is dynamic and expansive, and replicating all health record to every member in the network would be bandwidth intensive and wasteful on network resources. So what is the solution? So the solution is the information contained in our proposed health blockchain model would be an index and not all the data records, just a list of all the users' health records and health data. Transaction in the block would contain a user's unique identifier, an encrypted link to the health record, and a timestamp for when the transaction was created. To improve data access efficiency, the transaction would contain the type of the data contained in the health record along with other metadata that would facilitate frequently used queries. The health blockchain would contain the complete indexed history of all medical data, including formal medical records as well as health data from mobile applications, and would follow an individual user throughout his life. All information stored in the blockchain would be encrypted and digitally signed to ensure privacy and authenticity of the information. And this is how it will work. Whenever a healthcare provider creates a medical record for a prescription lab, example for prescription, lab test, pathology result, or MRI, the digital signature would be created to verify the authenticity of the document or image. The health data would be encrypted and sent to the data lake for storage. Every time the information is saved to a data lake, a pointer to the health record, a pointer to the health record would be registered in the blockchain along with the user's unique identifier and the timestamp. The patient is notified and the health data was added to his blockchain. Talking about the access control of the data, the user would set up specific details, transactions, who has the access, the allotted time frame for the access, and the particular type of data that can be accessed. At any given time, the user may alter or set of the permissions. For example, if any doctor wants to access any patient's health record, then that user can give the access to that doctor to access those records. Access control policies would also be stored securely on the blockchain and only user would be allowed to change them. Given this model, the user has the singular control over his data and the power to grant access to the specific healthcare providers for communication and collaboration in disease treatment and prevention. Utilization of the proposed health blockchain model described has the potential to engage millions of individuals, healthcare providers, healthcare entities, and medical researchers to share vast amount of genetic, lifestyle, and health data with guaranteed security and privacy protection. With these words, I would like to conclude my presentation that blockchain technology definitely has a place in the health IT ecosystem, and its implementation can bring evolutionary changes in medical sciences and technology. And I would like to thank you all for listening. Thank you and have a nice day.